Hello again. If you're watching this, chances are you've got some regrets. Maybe you're in your late 30s, or maybe you just turned 40, and you looked at your bank account this morning and whispered, "How the hell did I get here?" You've worked, you've paid bills, you've raised kids, you've survived, but savings, retirement, investing, still at zero. So I wanted to write you this letter and tell you the truth. Dear 40-year-old with $0 savings, you are not a failure. No one taught you how to build wealth. They taught you how to follow instructions. Go to work, pay taxes, make car payments, swipe the card, buy things you don't need to impress people you don't like. They never taught you about compound interest, or freedom, or owning your time. But now you're 40, and the silence in your account is loud. I know. You scroll past your younger coworkers investing already. Your niece is buying rental property. Your friends are talking Roth IRAs and dividends. Meanwhile, you're still renting, still paycheck to paycheck, still wondering when it's going to get easier. Let me tell you something. Time is powerful, but regret is heavier. And you don't need a perfect start. You just need a start today. Step 1. Forgive yourself for the money you blew, the time you lost, the bad habits that felt good in the moment. Shame won't save you. Discipline will. And no, it's not too late. Not even close. Here's your plan. Track every dollar. Cancel 90% of the subscriptions. Cook at home. Learn about index funds. Read one personal finance book a month. Then, invest $25 a week. Then $50. Then $100. You don't need to chase stocks. You need to chase habits. Wealth isn't loud. It doesn't wear Gucci belts. It wears old sneakers and sleeps 8 hours. It wakes up with options. It doesn't panic when the car breaks down. Wealth is peace. You've never had that before, but you can still build it. You've still got 20 to 25 working years left. That's more than enough time to change everything. I've met janitors who retired millionaires. I've met single dads who built portfolios from scratch. You don't need 100 steps. You need one habit, done over and over again. The 60-year-old version of you, he's watching, and he's whispering, "Thank you for not giving up at 40. He still drives the same car, still eats simple meals, but he sleeps well. He owns his time." So if you're 40 and broke, let this be the last year you use that label. Because starting today, you're not broke. You're rebuilding, brick by brick, quietly, relentlessly. And I'll see you at the finish line.